Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing Update Me and signing into the exact Spotify account you want to modify. Once done, grant the app the requested permissions, playback, playlists, library access, so it can write changes. Make sure you disable competing third-party sync tools because multiple writers cause conflicts. Then, in Update Me, choose the primary playlist or library target and confirm the account connection. This gets you past setup and into the first actionable step, selecting what the app will actually update. Once connected, you configure how updates should work and why each choice matters. You pick the source playlist, liked songs, or an external feed, and map fields like title, artist, and album so metadata stays consistent. Then define rules. Should the app add only, remove stale tracks, or both? How to handle duplicates, and whether to normalize metadata. Next, choose a schedule, manual, periodic interval, or webhook so updates run at predictable times without wasting API calls. You finalize by running a dry run to preview changes and then starting the initial full sync once results look correct. Make sure to save your configuration and enable notifications so you get success or error alerts. After the initial run, monitor the app logs and Spotify playlist contents to confirm expected changes. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip: revoke and regrant Spotify permissions. Then rerun a dry run. Many sync issues stem from expired scopes or token mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.